In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply picture styles in Microsoft Word. If you want to make a picture look more professional or visually appealing in your Word document, you can use Word's built-in picture styles. These styles allow you to quickly add borders, shapes, shadows, and other formatting effects without having to adjust each setting individually. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to format a picture. Next, insert a picture into your document if you haven't already done so. Once the picture is inserted, click on it to select it. When the picture is selected, the Picture Format tab will appear at the top of the Word window. Click on the Picture Format tab to view the available picture formatting options. Now, look for the Picture Styles section. Here, you'll see several different preset styles that you can apply to your picture. Move your mouse over the different styles to preview how they will look on your picture. This allows you to compare the available options before choosing one. Once you find a style you like, click on it to apply it to the selected picture. Word will immediately update the picture with the selected style. Depending on the style you choose, it may add a border, rounded corners, a shadow, or other visual effects. The exact appearance will depend on the picture style you select. If you want to change the style, simply select another option from the Picture Styles gallery. The new style will replace the previous one. You can also use the Picture Format tab to make additional adjustments to the picture after applying a style. For example, you can change the picture's size or position while keeping the selected picture style. If you don't like the changes you've made, you can use the Undo button to return to the previous appearance. Once you're satisfied with the result, save your Word document to keep the changes. And that's how you can apply picture styles in Microsoft Word to quickly improve the appearance of your images. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,